Can you spot the mistake? This basic English grammar test looks incredibly easy, very easy, but most of everyone gets at least one wrong. Take a second, look at these three sentences. Which words complete the blanks? Let us solve them. Let us look at number 1. That is, he is blank a story. Your options are read, reading. Most people just drop the base word in. He is read a story. Why is this wrong? Because we have the word is. Okay? Whenever you see is, are, was, or were, followed by an actions, okay, the actions needs an ing forms. At the end, it is happening right now. He is reading a story. Reading is the correct option here. Look carefully here at number 2. This is where everyone trips up. We didn't dash TV yesterday. The options are watch or watching. You see the words yesterday and think, it is in the past, or you think of the previous rule. We didn't watching TV yesterday. Wrong. Here is the secret. After didn't, okay, don't or doesn't, okay, or doesn't. The verb always stays pure. No ing forms, okay, no ed and no s, just the base verb. The word didn't already tells us is in the past. So we didn't watch TV yesterday is the correct answer. Now, don't miss this last part because it is the number 1 mistake I hear from students every single day. Keep watching. I have dashed my homework. Options is do, be, done. I have do my homework. This sounds translated directly from another language. It is incorrect. After the word have, has, or had, you must use the third form of the verb. We call this past participle. The verb do, did, or done. Now, I have done my homework. Remember these 3 golden rules to sound fluent instantly. Is uses verb plus ing, didn't uses the base verb, have uses verb 3, do verb 1, did verb 2, done verb 3. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next lesson.